Hello students, in this video I want to teach about distance between the 2 points. Before that, just consider the distance formula. Distance means just mention as small d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. For example, consider here the point A and B. Here there are 2 points, A that is x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Just you are going to substitute the values of A, B in this formula. You can easily find out the distance between the 2 points. In this video I want to teach the exercise 7.1 question numbers 1 and 2. Now listen the first question. It is based on distance formula. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Subdivision 1 is 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now listen subdivision 1 of first question in exercise 7.1. 2, 3 and 4, 1. Consider the first point as x1, y1 and the next one is x2, y2. Now simply you are going to apply this value in the distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square. Already I put the square root x2 minus x1. That is 4 minus 2. For x2 put 4 minus x1 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 that is 1, y1 is 3. 1 minus 3 the whole square. 4 minus 2 that is 2, 2 square plus 1 minus 3. The number 3 is a bigger number. It has minus value. The answer will become minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square. One negative symbol and one positive symbol means you have to subtract. Then put the greater number symbol minus 2. 2 square is 4. Plus square of the negative sign gives positive sign. 2 square is 4. So now we have the value 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 that is 8. Now we get the answer root 8. We can split the root 8 into 4 into 2. We know that square root of 4 is 2. There is no exact value for 2. So put root 2. The final answer is 2 root 2. The distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1 is 2 root 2. Now the second subdivision of the first question, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Listen the subdivision 2 of the first question. Minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3 are the points. Let the first point minus 5, 7 as x1, y1 and minus 1, 3 consider it as x2, y2. Now apply the values in the formula. x2 minus x1 the whole square. First you put x2 value, that is -1. Then minus symbol. x1 is -3. Already here minus symbol is there. So minus into minus plus. So put plus 5 the whole square. x2 -1 minus, here x1 -5, minus into minus plus 5 the whole square. Then y2 is 3 minus y1, that is 7. 3 minus 7 whole square. Here the signs are vary, so you have to subtract. 5 minus 1, that is 4. 5 is a bigger number, it has plus symbol, so put plus 4, that is 4 square. Here 3 minus 7, 7 is bigger number, it has minus symbol, so put minus 4. Minus 4 whole square. Now squaring of 4 gives 16. Squaring of minus value gives plus. 4 square means 16. 16 plus 16, that is 32. So we get the value 32. Now we have the value root 32. We can put root 32 into 16 into 2. There is a perfect square value for 16, that is 4. 4 into 4, 16. No perfect square for 2, so put root 2. So the distance between the points minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3 is 4 root 2. Subdivision 3 of the first question, a comma b and minus a comma minus b. Now the third subdivision of first question, the points are a comma b and minus a comma minus b. First consider the first point a comma b as x1 y1. The second point minus a comma minus b as x2 y2. Now apply in the formula. For x2 we have minus a, then minus symbol, put minus symbol. For x1 we have a, write a the whole square, plus for y2 we have minus b, write minus b, minus symbol. For y1 we have b, the whole square. Minus a, both are same symbol, so we need to add these two. Minus a, minus 2a, minus 2a the whole square, plus minus b, same symbol, minus 2b the whole square. Now squaring of negative symbol gives plus symbol. 2 square mean 4, a square mean a square. So 4a square plus 4b square. Here we can take 4 as common. Taking 4 as common, we have the value 4 into a square plus b square. Now we can take square root for 4, that is 2. We can't take a square plus b square from the root, so write as it is So the final answer 2 into square root of a square plus b square. The distance between the points a comma b and minus a comma minus b is 2 into root of a square plus b square. Now listen the second question. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Listen the second question. The points are 0, 0 and 36, 15. Consider the first point as x1, y1. The second point is x2, y2. Now applying these values in the formula, x2 that is 36 minus x1 that is 0 plus y2 15 minus y1 also 0. 36 minus 0 that is 36. 36 square plus 15 minus 0 15 whole square. So 296 plus 225 it gives 1521. The number ends with 1. 1 into 1 1 or 9 into 9 81. So 39 into 39 it gives a value of 1521. Now they are asking the distance in kilometer, so write the answer in kilometers. Now the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15 is 39 kilometers.
Please like, share, comment and subscribe the video.